everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Sahi. In this episode, unboxing and review of August Glow Box. Plus, there is a surprise for you all, that is giveaway. So this video is all about unboxing and review of Glow Box, plus it's a giveaway. So please stay tuned till the end to learn what you have to do and what are the goods you're going to get. And please excuse me because I have very bad nose and sore throat. My voice is some coarse and I'm really sweating a lot in this. My glow box has just arrived and so excited to see what is there in this glow box. So let us quickly unbox it and see what is there. I love the boxing of this glow box because they have this outer wrapper and inside there is one more bubble wrap to protect all the goodness of these goodies. So then there we go. Again the box is brown. We have discussed about this contest of the brown box and I'm so sorry of the background noise because of some children playing over there, right? So let me see what's there in this month's glow box. So again the pink glow box and we got this ribbon tied box. So now let me open this and see what are the goodness are there in this. So again we have this glow box sticker on this. So let me tear open. This is so amazing, yeah. Their packing is so good. They have this wrapper again after this and I can see the goodies what are there, the list, and also here I have some renewal coupon because my subscription is going to end for this month. So I'm so sweating, god damn today. So now let us see here, there are two glow box stickers here to decorate the box and wonder why the box is brown. Again the context information about another one and here is an expert note. So this is from Shalini, I'll read it later and there is one more card over here. No is something. Oh my god, I got a neck piece in this. I'm so excited and you can see all the goodness of my goodies here. Oh god, let me see one by one and I'm not so excited because I have seen some neck piece over here. So let me see what is this exactly the neck piece is. Let me cut open. Oh my god, it's violet. Some tribally neck piece over here. Oh my goodness. I'm so loving it here. Here go. It's so damn cool, isn't it? The threaded spikes modern necklace costs $3.99. You can see here the threaded spikes. So here the detailing is very good and it is a thread. So and it is a spiky one. So let me wear this and show you. You can see how damn cool. I'm really loving this. I'm so thank you Glowbox for this. Sorry guys, I'm damn sweating today like anything because I'm under medication. I'm suffering from dust allergy, the cold, the running nose and the sore throat is something putting me lot of stress and lot of sweating. So you have to bear me with. So look at this neck piece, it's so beautiful. I totally love this. You can wear this on traditional wear or you can wear it even in any western wear too. It looks damn cool on this. So this is my first thing in this August glow box and moving on to the next. I don't want to move actually. So there is one more product here. This next product which I can see here is a Skin Yoga. This is from Skin Yoga. I love Skin Yoga packing in the boxes. See, it's so damn good. The wooden richness. So again I got this rope. So here we go. We have tea tree and cinnamon foot scrub from Skin Yoga. So I have two actually. The two packets, the two sachets of foot scrub of 100% natural foot exfoliator, fragrance free, preservative free and paraben free. So this is from Skin Yoga. Foot scrub costs $2.99. We can say $300. So this is the second product which I have there in this glow box. So moving on to the next, I have this no, it's not body lotion. It's a moisturizer from the brand called Fuchsia. Fuchsia is a new brand. In our last Lady Raga bag, I got 2 products from Fuchsia, and this is another product. This is Fuchsia Healing Intense Moisturizer, flavor of lavender, and this is 100 ml product. This 100 ml product cost 450 rupees. Oh, this is damn cool. I got the full product, full size product from the brand Fuchsia. I will review about all the Fuchsia products which I do have and try it and review it, and I think it works out well. Now let me go with the next, move on to the next one. Here I have Liftace Intensive Age Defining System. But why do I require age defining system? I didn't ask for any wrinkles cream and all. It is a 15 grams product, and this 15 grams product costs you 259. It is 260 rupees. So let me open this. Oh, this is not coming here. Right. I push when the products don't come from one side. It is Intense Age Defining System. So this is 15 grams product, and it costs 259 rupees, that is 260 bucks. And moving on to the next, I have this Oriflame Sweden Jordan Gold here from Oriflame. I got this body spray, and this costs 229 bucks, that is 230 bucks. So let me this is so good. It is floral and so refreshing. This is a deodorizing body spray, and it is 75 ml product, and this 75 ml product costs 229 rupees. So this is last but not one product. And moving on to the last product. So my box is empty with this last product, and this last product is again came in this one. Oh my god, this is from Makeup Revolution. Amazing lipstick in the shade Lady. Oh, this red, you see, I love red. So these all the red lipsticks. I collected more red lipsticks, and I'm in love with them. So this Makeup Revolution amazing lipstick with the shade Lady costs 295 rupees. So guys, so these are the makeup products which I do got in this August Glow box. So hope you like this review, and don't go away. I have a small announcement for you. I'm going to give away some products. Right friends, it's a giveaway video too. So I'm going to give away a few goodies for you all, because I got 107 subscribers by this time, and thank you so much for your love. So I'm going to give away some good goodies, and one from today's unboxing of Glow box, that is this Liftace Intensive Age Defining System, because I don't have any requirement of this, so I'm going to give away to the people who have required. Maybe I don't know who is that. So this is one, and I'm going to give away another one from Last Splash. Yes, lip contour liquid lipstick. So this worth more than 1,000 bucks, dude. And this, and one more product, that is a intense lipstick from the brand Attitude. It's an intense color from the brand Attitude, and this is Ambase. And the 2 more skin products, that is almond milk moisturizer, that is skincare from the brand BioBloom. This is one more, and the next one is from Wild Earth. This is a signature beauty potion by Shabi Wali. This is a moisturizing almond and saffron body lotion. So these are the goodies which I am going to give away, and there is one more surprise. Yes, here you go, the double-sided small bubbly earrings with this small crystals, or in this the transparent earrings. So this is also included. So I'm going to choose 2 people, not for one. So these are not for one. 2 people are going to win this. The first person is going to win this Liftace Anti-Aging, that is the age defining system, and this lip contour. Is it not beautiful? With this, I'm going to share one moisturizer, because 2 are body moisturizers. So I'm going to go with this this BioBloom skincare. These 3 are the goodies which the first winner will be getting. I mean, not the first winner, any one winner. And the second one is going to get this Attitude lipstick and Wild Earth moisturizer body lotion, Prestige small cute bubbly earrings. So what all you have to do about this to get all these goodies? So let me tell you. So there are few rules to get these goodies in your PO box. So that one, the first thing, if you are not a subscriber till now to my channel, do subscribe. So the subscribers only will get these goodies. So that is the first rule. Second rule, I am leaving a link in my description. You have to follow me in my Instagram, and you like my page of Facebook. And a very important thing, you wanna win that? Please leave a comment below why you want to win those goodies. And any 2 persons of the commenters and the person who is liking the Facebook page and who is following me on Twitter and who is following me on Instagram and who left the comment below. So these are the rules, will get these beautiful goodies. Only 2 out of you 107 people, I love you very much, will going to receive this for you. And this is all about giveaway video plus unboxing of glow bags. So hope you like this video. Lots of love. See you in my next video. Till then, take care. Adios.